My name is Harm Oving. I'm an editor, chief editor here at the NTR, which is a public broadcasting company in Holland, which is the biggest at this moment. It's also the broadcasting company that does most with education, science and things like that. Well, a few years ago, I thought it would be a very good strategy to work online, to start working and discovering all this world online. And the world online is full of video, and so I started to look around for machines that could help me do that. And then we arrived at NewTek. When you start working on the web, when you start discovering how, let's say, the world online works, it's much more about informal video, it's much more about small, funny projects that have a little extra. For that you need a very flexible solution. Working online, you don't have these enormous budgets as traditional TV has, so you have to be resourceful. You have to work in small spaces with small modern cameras. You really use all your fantasy, and that's the thing where the TriCaster is very good at. For us, the TriCaster was a very useful, very important instrument because it gave us the possibility to expand our presence online. Also, the thing that the TriCaster inspired me was this virtual studio thing. So we used several artists to make a sort of mock-up, in a certain way, traditional new studio, but slightly different. I think also the broadcasting company that I work for now has this presence online because the TriCaster gave us the possibilities to experiment with all these things. You can use your fantasy in virtual sets. It's very flexible. It works with every modern equipment that there is, and it also works in a shed. Let's say if the only space possible that you have is, let's say, 1 meter by 1 meter, you can still make a nice production. So with the TriCaster, you can try out all sorts of things and explore this online world. And that's what was very important for us.